that I told that y'all niggas don't want to see that motherfucker
But it's alright to me. Talk to me that money shit. You was a little nigga.
Fucking bum. He not fucking boss in his
Come on, son. How you need? Who you ride with? Who you ride with?
504 whip. 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 504 whip.
Runs everywhere.
And they can do it, they just gotta listen to it.
All day. Sixes are better.
504 whip. 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 504 whip.
I got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Yeah. I get money 7 days of the week. I'm a star, so my hands should be in the concrete. I see that I'm the mayor of the city. I got so many bricks I could rebuild my city. The streets is mine. Since Soldier Slim died, I'ma do it like he did it. I'ma shine like he shines. This street money here, I ain't get it from the rhymes. I got it from my block. I hustle, I grind. I stack so much money, it take days at a time. If I told you how much, you would think that I was lying. I'm good with the rap, but I ain't get a deal yet. I'm better with the packs, wrap the coat while it's still wet. And I can still bet 100,000 when I'm broke, but I never go broke. Keep birds of that white hole. I got money from the wall ceilings to the floor. I'm a trap all day till that rap blow. I got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. I'm fresh to death every time I step. Hopping out the football coop to CLS with some diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my necklace. With a big 45 on my waistline. You try to touch mine, we move like the fucking mob. Send a hit, fill your body full of holes like SpongeBob. I'm the boss on the job, you niggas under me. Plus the flow so hot it burn to the 3rd degree. You need work for cheap, I'm the man you should see. Even Stevie can see and recognize I'm a G. A-N-G-S-T-A. So nigga don't play, you can lose your face. And my trigger finger known to work the K. And I lose that weight within 30 days. Money on my mind, like Weezy said. I'm a trapper, die like Jesus said. I got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice like a rapper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper. Got money like a rapper, cars like a rapper, ice. a rapper, I ain't a rapper, I'm a trapper, nigga. Money like a rapper. Money like a rapper. Money like a rap. Money like a rapper. Ice like a rapper. Ice like a rapper. Ice like a rapper. Ice like a rapper. Money like a rap. Money like a rapper. Money like a rapper. Money like a rap. Money like a rap. Money like a rapper. Money like a money like a rapper. Ice like a rap. Money like money like a rap. Ice like a rap. Money like a rapper. 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 Money like a rapper.
White tee, red monkeys, baby napes, count money, so good, so street, and getting money, motherfucker, that's me. White tee, red monkeys, baby napes, count money, so good, so street, and getting money, motherfucker, that's me. Fresher than the motherfucker, back on the scene. White tee, master kicks. Chris hat, master jeans. Big paper, my trunk vibrate, top down. The boy skyscraping. Bone hustler, certified G in a white as rice, certified G's. Boiling water, baking soda. Leave the kitchen with an odor, check the aura. I'm a 504, fifth wall domain, boy. 3-time loser, done lots of things, boy. By the ball, in and out of fast cars, in and out the mall, in and out of bad bras. Pockets packed full of paper, Mr. 24 skater. Real big strap on my waist for you haters. As the perk get twisted and my rims keep spinning, know the money's still coming, my team still winning. White tee, red monkeys, baby napes, count money, so good, so street, and getting money, motherfucker, that's me. White tee, red monkeys, baby napes, count money, so good, so street, and getting money, motherfucker, that's me.
They say they loving my swag and be feeling my apparel, and how I hit them corners like a right turn arrow. Now in my trunk I got the rattle, snap, claps, and boom. But when them hoes hit that, them hoes is doomed. One fly, motherfucker. Yeah, I'm high, motherfucker. Come take a ride, motherfucker. We gon' slide around the gutter. Got perk, got drink, nigga, I'm all in. Yeah, but when that pill kick in, bitch, I'ma roll like cheap deodorant. My team's supposed to win. You see what we be coasting in. That new range made my freak bring a freaking
Wow, what's happening? It's a lemonade out here.
We at Ricky Car Show is going
Ducking
down.
it out. Had to come show Rick some love, you know what I'm saying? Cool in your day.
It's going down. Ricky Car Show. We got B Jizzle out here.
Oh yeah.
We got B Jizzle on the scene.
Jizzle out here.
B Jizzle on the scene.
We gotta
man.
get B
B
Jizzle.
Jizzle out here on the scene.
No
At
shirt.
Ricky Car Show, no shirt.
No shirt.
We out here.
Right across the street over there, that's where you got his famous name from, right over there.
Already going down.
TC, nigga.
Yeah,
TCL.
We got Gucci out here.
Bro, Gucci
you know
holding
what
it
time
down.
it is.
Oh yeah, man.
You know what time it is. He out here. You know it's classic.
Ward.
Night Ward in the building. You already know it's official. Cross the canal.
Cross the canal. Up top, baby.
Go to Cali, fuck with prime cops, some animal baddest. Made it back and now my closet resemble a fruit salad. Break a bitch nigga legs for the shit that he be kicking, right? Cause you know we keep them heaters greasy like some church's chicken. It's the story of a grinder, the ballad of a hustler. Added up in DSJ, say we some motherfucking rustlers.
White tee, red monkeys, baby napes, count money, so good, so street, and getting money, motherfucker, that's me. White tee, red monkeys, baby napes, count money, so good, so street, and getting money, motherfucker, that's me. Pull up, doors up, hop out, fresh 24s on deck. Chain so icy you could go skiing on it. Charlie, you motherfuckers know it's me, homie. My money flipping, my paint dripping now. Kush twisting, H-Town lean sipping. Drop top fanatic, wrists full of carrots. V12 under the hood of my new carriage. Raised in the hood, married to the game. Came up and stayed in the hood. Boy never changed, boy got changed.
Direct and Ricky Car Show. Now this is what you can do for all the viewers out there in America, you dig? You can spin the wheel, you can try your luck, or you can suck on one of these heads. It don't matter what you do, how you do it, or whatever. That's how we do it, and Ricky Car Show is going down like that. Just like that. Carter Canal status, nigga. It's just like that. Cut it on. Back up. Cut it on.
Back up. All these dudes behind me.
We live? Cut it on.
I heard he ain't really from Cross Canal. The nigga from East Shore, I heard he got jumped by CTC niggas, then he started claiming the 9-1, but I ain't gonna put that out there.
Man, I do this shit for real. You got a Cross Canal legend right here, man. I do this shit 9-1 status for real, man. I don't do this. I'm back in town bound, you know what I'm saying? Up front, you can catch me up front, you can catch me back in town. This is how I do it. Cross Canal status. We carry choppers on the necks, call it
Where is
cutthroat.
Cross Canal?
Call it cutthroat.
He ain't much from there.
I ain't even gotta explain nothing, you know what I'm saying? Ask about me, man. They already know me.
Yeah, man, we're Zanny, man. We out here at the motherfucking car show, Ricky Car Show. Ain't no beef, we out here doing the big things, you dig? Dog Skidger, man, 504 whips, we doing big fucking things, AKA Skittle, Reese's, and y'all know the rest. You hear me, man? Ain't gotta say no more. Was understood? Don't need to be motherfucking slang. Motivation in your motherfucking back. What's up? It's cool, it's good. What we been and what we gathered here today about? We talking about Pitcher Man. That old pussy ass nigga fucking playing with me. Bitch, stop calling my fucking phone private. Talking that gangster shit, you hear me? Talking about all that shit, talking about, you gotta sell something to buy something. Bitch, I got 32 whips under my belt, bitch. Talking about I gotta sell something to buy something. Bitch, I'm gonna burn that motherfucking, that fucking bitch riding a Saturn. I'm gonna burn that fucking Saturn up, bitch, playing with me, you hear me? Don't fucking play with me, you faggot bitch. Put that shit on YouTube, nigga. Don't fucking play with me, bitch. See, this shit Skittles, bitch. It's the fucking original pack, bitch. Don't fucking play with me, bitch. Bitch, you keep playing with me, bitch. I'm gonna call Suit Sister Norbit, bitch, and get a concert for your faggot ass. You heard me? Keep fucking playing with me, you heard me? I'm gonna call Sister Norbit and get a fucking concert for your faggot ass. Don't play with 504 whips, bitch, because nobody fucking with your fake ass. Don't play with Blow This Man, because I'm coming behind that boy. Don't play with none of these boys, you heard me, because I'm coming behind them, you heard me? Fuck Pitcher Man. He's a hoe. We all know. Motivation in your back. One more again. If I gotta hear one more thing about you, Pitcher Man. I hear one more thing about you, Pitcher Man, I'm coming out there for you. I know what trailer you staying too, bitch. I know what trailer you staying too, bitch. With the trailer that boy stay over Lake Forest? Ain't that boy over Lake Forest? I know where your trailer at, bitch. Don't make me come in your trailer. Don't make me come to your trailer. I don't know that faggot shit you playing, but we ain't playing that shit around here. We bout pussy around here, boy. You taking pictures of niggas, snapping them up, going home, beating your meat and shit, talking about you love these niggas? Faggot bitch, don't play with me. Don't play with me, you hear me? Talking about I ain't got no money, dog, you mean I ain't got no money. Bitch, I'm rich. The rich nuts all over me. Look, Sarah.
I dog rich, you hear me?
Don't play with me, dog. Don't tell me I ain't got no money, dog.
Yeah, get that icing out.
We got TVs on our wrist, nigga. We watching TV.
Bitch, we still got TV with us, you hear me? We don't leave that at home. We take that with us, you hear me?
Remember, Dog Skidger, man, 504 whips, nigga, we out.
Yeah.
Catch them things, know what I'm saying? This shit downtown, I ain't water in the building, know what I'm saying? Holding it down for Rick, know what I'm saying? Today, got the mailroom fools out here, know what I'm saying? Doing my thing, T-top, no roof. You already knew, you heard me? Room is, I'm the only one on food. They got, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finished with this bitch shot, still gotta throw the doors on that thing, know what I'm saying? But y'all already know, all my people out here, they on food. Do I think it's big, amazing. You know what I'm saying? My people with me, got that piff in the air, you already know you're dead. Shout out to my people, you know what I'm saying? Put me on that camera, you already know. You 504 whips, baby. 504 whips all day, you dig? I'll let you buy it, dig? All day. You already know, yeah.
What we do it for, Mr. Zoo?
we live.
Now look, at Ricky Cost Show, age test, free rubbers. I got night vision, bank account, I got it all.
Go, it's car open.
Nah, they had an age test. I'm negative. All these niggas out here, everybody scared to go. Tron did not go, so he might have AIDS, so watch him, ladies.
I ain't stupid by a long shot. I ain't stupid by a long shot. I got 3 kids. I got 3 kids. I got 3 kids. I got 3 kids. I don't gotta take that test. I don't need to take that test. I don't wanna take that test.
A lot of young girls like me.
I ain't gotta take that test. I don't wanna take that test.
Test. I was the first young lady went over there.
I ain't gotta take that test. I don't wanna take that test.
He didn't take the age test.
I ain't gotta take that test because I don't wanna take that test.
You don't want to take that test because you might be the one that have that. But my test said negative. That's what's up. I know.
Look, that's a fucking trailer park test. That shit is exempt.
Paint dripping out, Kush twisting, H-Town lean sipping, drop top fanatic, wrists full of carrots, V12 under the hood of my new carriage. Raised in the hood, married to the game, came up and stayed in the hood. Boy never changed, boy got changed. 26s on the range, 28s on the Hummer. It's gonna be a hot summer. Chunky chain on my neck, diamond down to the stomach. Work steady running, money steady coming. 20 on the grill. Every time I talk, I shine. Cool Glide 23, MG in his prime. White tee, red monkeys, baby napes, count money, so good, so street, and getting money, motherfucker, that's me. White tee, red monkeys.
Like I said from the beginning, from last year to this year, nigga, we starting a whole new year. Nigga, motivation, run shit, this the truth right here. Nigga, first place, don't get it twisted, you heard me? First place, last year with the paper, year before that with the paper again. Man, get that thing right there. That whole beautiful, dog. That whole beautiful, dog. Man, like I say, my whole crew, we running the city. Man, we appreciate everything. That nigga support motivation to the fullest. You dig? Like I said, 08, we ran that bitch. 09, we running that bitch. That's all I gotta say, man. First place, man, it's right here, man. That Ricky Cost Show, you dig? Oh yeah, first place, Cheeto, you dig? It was a runoff with my cousin. My big cuz Skittles right there. But we come here. It's family, nigga. Let's go over this together, you heard me?
Yeah, motivation all day, bitch. My black cat, you heard me?
It's all good, you heard me? He took it home. He took it home last year, Rick, you heard me? He took it home last year, Rick.
Took last home, you dig last year, you dig? But fuck it. We came back this year in a full effect. My little dog, the Cheeto thing, came back and got it, you dig?
First place
winner. First place winner.
Keep winning that, you heard me?
Ain't never been scared to get no money, nigga. You dig? Ain't never been scared to go and get no money, nigga. You heard me?
So all that talk, niggas around the city, and all that talk, niggas be like this and that, you know what I'm talking about. We not gonna get into detail, but the judges told it all, you dig? And that's just a little part of Cheeto. They got many more things coming in that thing, you heard me?
Motivation is
Streets told it was all in.
You heard me? Motivation is an army, better yet a navy.
Y'all see these motivation fucking shirts? Them bitches everywhere, dog. I mean they everywhere. Me and got them over there. When you see them, man, you already know what's up when it's coming through, dog. And we gonna hold it down, you heard me?
down strips that's narrow. Game tight like rip pliers. Real so big like where's the tires. Luxury cars to show off your bras. I'm riding big from the 3s to the 17. You like this, how the ice glisten. The other boys trifling. Something like a spotlight. I love to shine. Put your polo shades on, you could get blind. What, son? I ain't even got the guts done.
Ride big down here. We ride big down here. We ride big down here. We ride big down here. Boy, 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 you was fucked from the start. You
Beats like this, like this.
If you miss Soldier Slim, you would know you clap. If you miss Soldier Slim, you would know you clap. If you miss Soldier Slim, you would know